Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. Here's a Yanmar F15D 4-wheel drive, 18 horsepower, easy on, easy off tractor. It has a 4-foot loader, goes up about 7.5 feet high, so you can dump into one of those big roll-offs if you needed to. Really nice tractor. Tires are good. Pretty good shape. The only thing on it, it's got, you can see right here, it's got a clear coat that looks like it was, I don't know, kind of worn a little bit. It's not rusted, it's not bad, it's just, I don't know, if I need to pick something wrong with the tractor, that would be the only thing. This is a really nice tractor. It's got a 3-speed PTO. It has 2 gears right there, high and a low. Basically, it says 1, 2 with 3 speeds. So it's got six speeds forward, 2 reverse. Somebody even mounted a little handy-dandy basket there. It's got pretty low hours. This has 1195, if I can see it there somewhere. A real nice tractor. 3-cylinder diesel. Might look a little small, but man, it's got some power to it. This thing will go anywhere and do just about anything. Let me go ahead and start it up. See, no smoke, no exhaust, no oil leaks on it. Sounds really good. Looks like it's been well maintained. Hand heater for the wintertime. It's got a new seat. Most of the time I have to put new seats on them, and this was an occasion I did. For some reason the seats are always ripped, but it's got a new seat. Anyhow, there it is. It's a Yanmar F15D. By the way, people always say, where can I get parts? What if this went wrong? What if that went wrong? There is a couple places online, one in particular that it's out of Texas that has just about every nut and bolt you need for these things. So that's not an issue. Anyhow, more information, you can go to my website, ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.